My name's George Sy, I'm manager for Cadence Property Group. Everything needs to be in its position because the column itself is the actual side of the building. If it's leaning too far one way, the whole building is not going to align, and yeah, it's quite. Starting with Cadence has been great. They've done so many unique projects. Every project has its own complexities and challenges, but every job that we've done, or that I've done with Cadence, has been a higher quality sort of job. I've enjoyed them because I like the challenge.